beautiful place. There are
Many.
many trees and flowers.
It is.
It is sun. Penguin is beautiful. Chinese penguin balloon butterfly. This is soldier. This is a sign. This is a seed. This is a tree. A seed and it is sun. This is a seesaw. My dog has balloon good time. This is my bag. This is carton. This is butterfly. This is egg. This is bar. This is egg. This is cat. This is Gabba. This is cow. This is balloon. This is egg. This is carton. This is flowers. This is egg. In the park. I visit the park. I play with. I swing. Me and my seesaw. Ready? Me and sister very happy. Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my happy park. In my park, I have slides and the things to enjoy and have fun. Other than that, I go trees and the flowers to make my park greeny. Birds and the butterfly.
Birds and butterflies.
Birds and butterflies. With
Where?
were also
Where also?
visiting a park. Have I too have balloons? Balloons to make my
To
play
to play in my
park.
அடுத்து
I once again
welcome
welcome you all To my.
To.
To. Come.
Mm.
Come. To. Have.
To my park.
To make my park.
To come to my park.
Come to park.
My park.
My park.
And
have fun with me. Hi everyone, I speak about the park.
I
visit the park with my family. In the park, play the slides, slings, and the rounds. I saw trees and the flowers. I saw birds and the butterflies. I bought balloons and the cotton candy. Happily enjoy the park. This is my park. Parrots also love flying in my park. Balloons also love coloring in my park. Big. Boys also love playing. வானம்ல பூ இருக்கு அதனால பசங்களை பிடிச்சிருக்கு
இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லு.
Flowers also love பிடிச்சிருக்கு. நான் பார்க்க டீ வந்திருக்கேன். அப்புறம் நான் பார்க்கல நிறைய வந்திருக்கேன். அப்புறம் பட்டம் வந்திருக்கேன். அப்புறம் பூ வந்திருக்கேன். அப்புறம் பட்டம் வந்திருக்கேன். அப்புறம் நான் பலூன் சுட்டிட்டு இருக்கேன். அப்புறம் நான் பார்க்கல சந்தோஷமா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட விளையாடிட்டு இருக்கேன்.